He's on a gravel ride. Not just any gravel rides, an AUDAX. Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. Where am I going? Have I gone the wrong way? Yes, I have just then. Just gone into somebody's back garden. So, with that in mind, welcome. One of Brandon Edge's rides called Beachcomber in the River Dee. Mostly gravel. Well, when I say mostly, usual rules apply. You know the score by now. Bit of gravel, bit of pave, bit of road, bit of footpath in inverted quotes, bridleways. And today, lots of wind, lots of rain. That sounds like your cup of tea, and maybe you want to not miss me fall off the bike. Stick around. So much rain, heavy rain as well. Not necessarily heavy rain, but you know, big droplets. I was sleeping in the van on a Friday evening, all I could hear was rain continuously through the night. Didn't get much sleep as a consequence, because I've got to bring in the earbuds. Woe is me. A lot of people don't, well, here in the UK, don't go out in this weather so much because, well, some might say call it sensible. Others might call it boring, and you know, need to live the lives a bit more. I think actually, as far as rain falling out of the sky is concerned, we've dodged a bullet here in the northwest, and you know, I think it's running further in Scotland. The only thing contending with right now, at least, is strong winds, as you can probably see. Tailwind, hee-hee, and Mr. Squirrel, get off the road. Oh yeah, and Brandon is running this as a bare bones sort of event, so you have to throw your birthday card in and post it back, or through the wonders of modern technology you can use the app. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Means it'll automatically get registered on the website once I finish, and all you do is press buttons at relevant points in the ride to register you went there. You don't even necessarily have to stop. I will be stopping there because it's raining and I've not got the quad lock with me, so I can't just stick my phone on there. As I was talking to you just then, I was just leaving the first control along with standing with, or with standing, or whatever it was called, so to just do turn back for half a mile. What a noob mistake. So I've just got a couple of red lights to try and get catch up on. Nice race, but you know, you do, don't you? Hey. So just going around a park area at the moment. If you're from the Netherlands and you're watching this video, this is what we call paths. Actually rubbish, aren't they? Government never spends money on recreation unless it involves making money. So after going through that park area, Mayford, I can't remember what it's called now. Next base point of interest, the information control, is a swing bridge. So we're looking out for that in the next 10k or so, probably less than that now. These cows are loving being outside, aren't you guys? so the picture's a bit fuzzy. Just happens to be raining, folks. There we go, that's better. So potentially the next bit might possibly get very wet. Certainly we'll keep going that way. I'm following this river now, whatever that is. Brendan did mention Weaver, as well as the River Dee, so it's one of those two. And you can't go very fast because obviously there's people walking around, dog walkers and such like, so you just got to take it easy, especially with the leaves everywhere. It's definitely the River Weaver. So the Bistro Cafe sign. All very picturesque. No, I am enjoying it. It breaks up the road sections. Nothing wrong with some, good old canal. I did a ride a couple of years ago. I'll stick a link in the corner screen where myself and loads of other vloggers, I think it was 100k, the canals of Birmingham. I was joined by Paul Green, the Wheelers, Julie, Mike, sorry Mike. Ride with Roy. If you don't want to watch that one, I'll stick a link in the corner of the screen. Joined the Whitegate Way. It has all the hallmarks of being a disused railway line. This is taking us west at the moment. Quite long as well. 7k. And if it's all like this, it means it's all gradual uphill as well. Take a look at the elevation. I do show you these, but I never know if you can see them clearly enough. But right in the middle there, and point properly, it is a kind of a lump, and that's in the, well, it's coming up soon in fact. And at the end, there's another lump. Brandon's been a bit cheeky on this one. It's two climbs, the two steepest climbs of the day. They're right towards the end of the ride. Thank you. Garmin telling me there's 10 climbs. Yeah, and like I say, 2 of them are at the end. Everything else has been short and sweet. Like 20 metres, stuff like that. The last 2 are like 50 and 60. Yep. Okay, not lots and lots of climbing, but the sun's coming out. Well, trying to do anyway. So I may, hopefully, fingers crossed, be able to take this rain jacket off. See what it's like when I get to the next control, which is Elton. As in, don't go breaking my heart. I couldn't if I tried. On the wrong side really. Ugh. This ride's gone south. The state of my bike. Front disc brake's crazy, bottom bracket is making loads of noise, dry chain is covered in shite. Look. Oh. there by the looks of it. So this must be the D estuary. That's it, stunning. So we've got Wales over there. Connor's Key just beyond. It's quite misty actually. So it looks like we're going to have a tailwind. By the looks of things, it should be nice. As you can see, it's very windy. So there's a cycle path all the way along here. Apparently it's 15k or something. I was a little bit grumpy earlier, the camera didn't come out. I think you might have detected it. It got incredibly muddy, like not really gravel bike, but it's only because of the rain we've had in the last few days and weeks it's become unrideable. Anyway, let's get on with this bit because it's looking like it's going to be pretty good. The fact that the best cycle lanes that I've been on today are not even in England but in Wales has not gone unnoticed. I've been able to get actually on the aero bars along here because it's just absolutely perfect. And I've needed to as well because it's been so windy. Have you ridden this before? It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm getting the full-on side wind along here at the moment. If I just point the camera to the top of the trees there, you can see here kind of a cross headwind. I was hoping you could see how dark it is through the lens of the camera, but you never can tell. But yeah, the sun has gone down. Not long now, it'll be pitch black. So like I say, I'm coming towards the end. Not far to go. And still going through some trails and things. So hopefully not too much more of this. No one really likes riding through areas like this, like after dark. That's the full brightness. I don't know how that comes up on camera. Oh, but it really helps for me actually. I'll put a link to the ride on Ride with GPS below this video. If you're interested in riding this again next year, or just want to discover trails in your area, then this will definitely help. Skidding everywhere now, just trying to get it done. If you have enjoyed watching me nearly fall over, hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends. All that's left for me to say is, see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.